Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learning Made Easy. This video is going to be on the chapter Dharm Ki Aad, which is for grade 9, written by Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi. Now, dharma means religion. I'll just give you the meaning of the title. Dharma means religion, and aad means we can say a covering or an external appearance. That is what Lekhak means by this title is that people, in the name of religion, they do anything like they for their personal need, for their personal intention to be executed, they do anything, and they say that we are doing all these things for religion, when actually it is not so. Okay, so religion is kept as a covering over there. What is their true nature, we don't know. Okay, that is what here the title means. Now let's begin the summary so that this chapter will be more clear to you. I'll be explaining it in English. Now this chapter is a bit complex. It's not very easy because the topic is on religion and fight that happens in the name of religion in our society. So of course it's going to be a bit tough, but I hope I make it very clear to you. Even if you again, if you have any doubt, even after I taking the summary, after I explain the summary, please mention that in the comment section. Okay, so let's begin. लेखक कहता है कि आज देश में ऐसा समय आ गया है कि हर तरफ केवल धर्म की ही धूम है. लेखक is saying that today, now it has been a time where everywhere you can see only, in the name of religion, people fight, or people talk, or whatever that happens today in our society is in the name of religion. I think I can say this chapter was written many years back, right? But still, we can say the same topic happens even today. Even our current situation is people fight in the name of religion, right? अनपढ़ और मंदबुद्धि लोग धर्म और सच्चाई को जाने या ना जाने, परंतु उनके नाम पर किसी पर भी गुस्सा कर जाते हैं और जान लेने और जान देने के लिए भी तैयार हो जाते हैं. So Lekhak is saying that unpad means illiterate people, or mandabuddhi, again they only, illiterate or people who are not well educated. So Lekhak is saying that such people, whether they have the knowledge of religion or not, okay, they are ready to go for a fight in the name of religion. They're ready to take others' life. They're ready to sacrifice their own life, and they're ready to gussa karna means they become angry on others very fast. When the topic religion comes, people become very angry if they are hurt against their religion. If someone is speaking, people become very angry, okay, and they are ready to even take their life for that. So Lekhak is saying whether those people are educated or not, means whether they have the knowledge of the religion or not, they are ready to go for a fight. This is what is the condition of people today. गलती उन कुछ चलते पुर्जों अर्थात पढ़े लिखे लोगों का, जो मूर्ख लोगों की शक्तियों और उत्साह का गलत उपयोग इसलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि उन मूर्खों के बल के आधार पर पढ़े लिखे लोगों का नेतृत्व और बड़प्पन कायम रहे. So Lekhak is saying that even padhe likhe means literate people, well educated people, they also support such moorkh means such bad people who bring such kind of fight on the topic of religion. So these moorkh people, these bad people are supported by even well educated people. Now why do well educated people support them? ताकि उनके बड़प्पन कायम रहे, नेतृत्व कायम रहे, मीन्स सो दैट the well educated people feel that they will have some kind of position in the society. Badapan means in order to keep their position in the way it is, okay, not so that there is nothing that is happening on their position, on their status. It should be as it is. It should be as they're well educated, they want it as it is. It should not change at all. So for that they support such moorkh people, such bad people, so that these moorkh people you allow them to have their position in the society as it is. Okay? इसके लिए धर्म और सच्चाई की बुराइयों से काम लेना उन्हें सबसे आसान लगता है. So now well-educated people feel that the best way is to stand with the religion. धर्म और सच्चाई की बुराइयों, stand with the religion means to stand with whatever बुराई, whatever bad things is happening in the name of religion. Well-educated people feel that we have to stand with that, so that our position won't be changed in the society. हमारे देश के साधारण से साधारण आदमी तक के दिल में यह बात अच्छी तरह बैठी हुई है कि धर्म और सच्चाई की रक्षा के लिए प्राण तक दे देना बिल्कुल सही है. So in our society, sadharan se sadharan means even common people, okay, they feel that it is very good if we stand with whatever bad things are happening with in the religion, whatever, whether it is bad or good, we'll just stand with the religion, and this is the best way, you know, to have our position in the society. And they also feel that it is very good even pran tak de dene, to sacrifice their life. They feel that even sacrificing their life in the name of religion is very good. Okay, they are not trying to know actually why is this happening, means whether they do what they're doing is right or wrong, or whether they have the exact real knowledge of the religion or not. They are not trying to know, to get the knowledge of the religion, and they're just in the name of religion they are ready to give their life, is what लेखक is saying here. पाश्चात्य देशों में धनी लोगों की गरीब मजदूरों की झोपड़ी का मजाक उड़ाते ऊंचे ऊंचे मकान आकाश से बातें करते हैं. नाउ पाश्चात्य देश मीन्स वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज. सो इन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज ऑल्सो सच things happen, but not in the name of religion. There it happens in the name of rich and poor. Okay, rich people, they exploit the poor people in western countries. Okay, garib mazdoor means poor laborers, ki jhopadi means their their broken house, it's known as jhopadi. Okay, so there the poor peoples, the poor laborers झोपड़ी का मजाक उड़ाते ऊंचे ऊंचे मकान आकाश मीन्स big buildings. The buildings that are speaking to sky means it is, the actually lekak is trying to say how high the buildings are. Okay, that is what आकाश से बातें करना means, to speak with the sky. Of course literally buildings won't speak to the sky, it's just to show that how high towers are being built, okay, by actually exploiting such poor laborers in western countries. गरीबों की कमाई ही से वे अमीर से अमीर होते जा रहे हैं, और उन गरीब मजदूरों के बल से ही वे हमेशा इस बात का प्रयास करते हैं कि गरीब सदा चूसे जाते हैं. So here Lekhak is saying that in western countries what happens is they exploit the poor people. As I said, what they do is they exploit them by using all their earnings. Okay, they use all their earnings. Actually it is these poor laborers who work for these rich people, right? The rich people are being actually benefited with this poor people, but they just take those benefits and they exploit the poor people, and that is why poor people remain poor itself and rich people become even richer, even more rich. Okay, ताकि वे हमेशा अमीर बने रहे, so that the rich people, as I said, they want to be always be rich. Okay, they exploit the poor people for that. गरीबों का धनवान लोगों के द्वारा शोषण किया जाना इतना बुरा नहीं है जितना बुरा धनवान लोगों का मजदूरों की बुद्धि परवार करना है. So here Lekhak is saying that now Lekhak is saying, actually Lekhak is comparing the western country with India, with our country. Lekhak is saying that of course a western country is actually exploiting the money of the poor people. They are exploiting poor people in the name of money, but Lekhak is saying it is not as bad as what India is doing. What is India doing? India is actually buddhi parvar karna means on the buddhi, on the brain of the common people in our country. Var karna means they are actually what our country is doing, they are exploiting the people in the name of religion by putting all kind of wrong things in the head, in the brain of Indians. Okay, in the name of religion all wrong things are being put on in the brains of our common people in India. So Lekhak is saying that exploiting people in the name of money is not that bad, but what our country is doing, it is even more worse, is what Lekhak is saying. I hope I'm being clear here. I know this topic is a bit tough, so it might be difficult to understand, but I hope I'm being clear. Otherwise, you can of course ask any line, any topic which you couldn't understand. Please mention that in the comment section. Okay, so let's continue. धर्म और सच्चाई के नाम पर किए जाने वाले इस भीषण व्यापार को रोकने के लिए साहस और दृढ़ता के साथ उद्योग होना चाहिए. So Lekhak is saying that we have to be, sahas or udyog. We have to be very strong and we have to go against these exploitation that is happening in our country in the name of religion. Okay? चाहे धर्म की कोई भी भावना हो, किसी दशा में भी वह किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति की स्वतंत्रता को छीनने या नष्ट करने का साधन नहीं बननी चाहिए. So लेखक is saying that whatever the religion wants to say, okay, whatever religion you follow, whatever your religion wants to speak to people, but किसी दशा में भी मीन्स इट शुडंट गो इन अ डायरेक्शन वेयर स्वतंत्रता को छीनना मीन्स इट शुडंट गो इन अ डायरेक्शन वेयर पीपल आर एक्चुअली स्वतंत्रता योर फ्रीडम छीनना मीन्स इज बीइंग स्नैच्ड अवे फ्रॉम यू. Your freedom to choose any religion, it shouldn't be snatched from you, is what लेखक is saying. आपका मन चाहे जिस तरह चाहे उस तरह का धर्म माने. Whatever your mind says, whichever religion you want to follow, you have to follow. That freedom should be there. और दूसरों का मन चाहे उस प्रकार का धर्म वह माने. Whatever you want to follow, you follow the religion. Whatever others want to follow, दूसरों का मन चाहे, whatever their mind wants, they should also have the freedom to follow. लेखक कहता है कि दो भिन्न धर्मों के मानने वालों के टकरा जाने के लिए इस देश में कोई भी स्थान ना हो. लेखक is saying that in our country there shouldn't be even one place left, okay, where people will people start snatching away the freedom of choosing your religion or the religion to when you follow your religion. It is your actually right to freedom. It's your freedom of religion that it is your freedom to choose any religion, and it should not be exploited in any part of your country, is what लेखक is trying to say here. लेखक कहता है कि दो भिन्न धर्मों के मानने वाले, as I said, देश की स्वतंत्रता के लिए जो उद्योग किया जा रहा था उसका वह दिन बिना किसी शक के कहा जा सकता है कि बहुत बुरा था. जिस दिन स्वतंत्रता के क्षेत्र में पैगंबर या बादशाह का प्रतिनिधि, मुल्ला, मौलवियों और धर्मचारियों को स्थान दिया जाना आवश्यक समझा गया. So, लेखक is trying to say that the day our country decided to give a position, okay, to Mullah, Maulvi, these are the leaders of Muslims and or any other religions leaders, that is Dharmacharya, any other religions leaders. So when our country decided to give a position to such religious people, okay, to give them a high status, high position, that day we did a mistake. Our country did a mistake, is what लेखक is saying. ओके, लेखक कहता है कि एक प्रकार से उस दिन हमने स्वतंत्रता के क्षेत्र में एक कदम पीछे हटकर रखा था. लेखक इज सेइंग दैट वी हैड डन दिस इन द नेम ऑफ फ्रीडम. ओके, इन द नेम ऑफ हैविंग फ्रीडम फॉर द रिलीजन वी एक्चुअली गेव पोजिशन टू सच पीपल, मुल्ला, मौलवी और एनी अदर धर्मचार्य, बट एक्चुअली वी टुक अ स्टेप बैक. Okay, we took a step back, पीछे हटकर. We took a step back by doing so. Why? Because making such leaders, what did it do? Such leaders have actually filled the minds of common people with wrong things about religion and created or brought fight among them. This is not about all religious leaders, okay? Some of them, of course, not all are bad. अपने उसी पाप का फल आज हमें भोगना पड़ रहा है. And लेखक is saying that पाप means sin. So we had done a sin by actually giving position to such people in order to have freedom in the name of religion. But actually we did a sin, and that is why, and because of that sin, we are now being हमें भोगना पड़ रहा है. We are actually being suffering because of that. We are suffering today because of that sin we had done earlier. क्योंकि आज धर्म और ईमान का ही बोल बोला है. Because today we can see it is the only thing that happens in the society is depending on the religion. लेखक कहता है कि महात्मा गांधी धर्म को सर्वत्र स्थान देते हैं. Lekhak is saying that even Mahatma Gandhi had given a full position, a full respect to religion. वे एक कदम भी धर्म के बिना चलने के लिए तैयार नहीं. He was a person who was not ready to even keep a step forward without the name of religion in it. परंतु गांधी जी की बात पर अमल करने के पहले प्रत्येक आदमी का कर्तव्य ये है कि वह भली भांति समझ ले कि महात्मा जी के धर्म का स्वरूप क्या है. So लेखक is saying that even though Mahatma Gandhi was also a very good he was a very practicing follower of his own religion, and he gave very much importance to his religion. He didn't take any step further without religion. But before saying all this, or before actually following what he was doing, it is the duty, kartavya, it is a duty of every human being to see what is bhali bhanti, what is good and bad in this religion. Okay, what all bad and good was being followed by Mahatma Gandhi in the name of religion. गांधी कहते हैं कि अज़ान देना, शंख बजाने, नाक दाबने और नमाज पढ़ने का नाम धर्म नहीं है. So Gandhi ji had said that just by giving azan, a call for prayer, shankh bajana, which is again called for Hindus, Hindu religion, naak dabna, namaz padna, these are all religious practices followed by Muslims, Hindus, etc. So, Lekhak is saying that Gandhi never said that all these things are only religion. That is, by doing azan, by doing shank bajana, naak dabna, namaz padna, का नाम धर्म नहीं है. Just doing such things is not only a religion. शुद्ध आचरण और अच्छा व्यवहार के धर्म के स्पष्ट चिन्ह है. So, शुद्ध आचरण means good manners, अच्छा व्यवहार, good behavior. These are also a part of the religion you follow. These are also the sign of following a good religion. 2 घंटे तक बैठकर पूजा कीजिए और 5 वक्ता नमाज भी अदा कीजिए, परंतु ईश्वर को इस प्रकार रिश्वत के दे चुकने के पश्चात यदि आप अपने को दिन भर बेईमानी करने और दूसरों को तकलीफ़ पहुंचाने के लिए आज़ाद समझते हैं तो इस धर्म को आगे आने वाले समय कदापि नहीं टिकने देगा. लेखक is saying that if you think that by praying 5 times a day, okay, 5 वक्ता नमाज पढ़ना, 2 घंटे, 2 hours you're doing some kind of puja, by doing all this, you on one side you're doing all this, and on the other side what you're doing, you're actually exploiting the others, you're exploiting poor people, and you're exploiting all the common people by putting wrong intentions in their mind. If you're doing all these things and on one side you're praying, it is of no use, is what Lekhak is saying. बेईमानी करने और दूसरों को तकलीफ पहुंचाने, if you're तकलीफ पहुंचाना means you're disturbing, you're exploiting others, okay, you're hurting them. And if you feel that is what the real religion is speaking about, it is not so. कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि यदि आपका आचरण दूसरों के लिए सही नहीं है तो आप चाहे कितनी भी पूजा अर्चना नमाज आदि पढ़ ले, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. So लेखक is saying that कहने का तात्पर्य means in simple words what लेखक is saying that no matter how much you are praying, how much puja you are doing, but if you are not, your acharan means your behavior, your manners is not good in front of others, towards others, then it is of no use. Your prayers, your puja, it is of no use. Ishwar in Nastiko, Nastik means atheist, those who don't believe in any religion. ईश्वर इन नास्तिकों जिनका कोई धर्म नहीं होता, ऐसे लोगों को अधिक प्यार करेगा और वह अपने पवित्र नाम पर अपवित्र काम करने वालों से यही कहना पसंद करेगा. So लेखक is saying that if you do such thing, means in the name of religion you are exploiting others, then it is of no use and God will choose an atheist over you. Even if you are a follower, but since you're doing such bad things on one side, God will choose an atheist over you. A atheist, a person who doesn't follow any religion. ईश्वर है और हमेशा रहेगा. God is there and will always be there. लेखक सभी से प्रार्थना करता है कि सभी मनुष्य हैं, मनुष्य ही बने रहें, पशु ना बने. So at the end, Lekhak is requesting that everyone are human beings and you please remain as a human being and don't become a pashu. Pashu means an animal. Don't behave like an animal. Be human beings itself. Now this is the end of the chapter. I know it's a bit tough, but I hope I had made it into a simple words. I have explained it in English, but still if you have doubt, don't forget to mention that in the comment section. And I made this video because I had got many requests and so I'm uploading it soon. Actually I had just uploaded a video just few days back, but then I have got many requests on this video and you have exams, so it really means a lot when you say me that you are having exams and you want this chapter to be explained. I'm always there for you. I'm ready to explain them. Thank you so much for all the support you're giving me and thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.